Best track saws. Are you looking for the best track saws? In this video we will look at 5 of the best track saws on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Festool Plunge Cut Track Saw TS55. The Festool 577014 Plunge Cut Track Saw TS55 FEQF Plus FS is a professional-grade power tool designed for precision and versatility in woodworking and construction tasks. This model comes complete with a 55-inch, 1,400mm guide rail, allowing for accurate straight cuts on various materials such as wood, plywood, laminates, and composite boards. The plunge cut functionality enables users to start cuts at any point on the workpiece, making it ideal for creating clean openings or recesses without the need for pilot holes. Equipped with a powerful motor, the TS55 FEQ offers consistent cutting performance while minimizing splintering, thanks to its fine-toothed saw blade and smooth plunge mechanism. The guide rail system ensures stability and helps guide the saw precisely along the cut line, which greatly improves accuracy and repeatability on large panels or sheets. This saw features easy-to-use controls, including variable speed settings for adapting to different materials and thicknesses, plus a soft start for safer operation. Dust extraction compatibility is another key advantage, allowing connection to Festool's dust extraction systems to maintain a cleaner work environment and enhance visibility while cutting. Compact and ergonomically designed, the TS55 FEQ is suitable for professionals and serious DIY enthusiasts who demand top-notch results. Whether you're cabinetry making, flooring installation, or general carpentry, this plunge cut track saw provides clean, straight cuts with minimal effort and excellent control. Number 2. Evolution Multi-Material Cutting Circular Track Saw Kit. The Evolution Power Tools or 185 CCSX Multi-Material Circular Track Saw Kit is a versatile cutting solution designed for a variety of materials, making it ideal for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. This kit includes a powerful 7 to 1/4 inch circular saw that can easily cut through wood, plastic, metal, and more, thanks to its robust build and advanced TCT, tungsten carbide tipped, blade. The TCT blade ensures durability and clean, precise cuts across multiple materials without the need to switch blades frequently. Included with the saw is a 40-inch guide track, which provides enhanced accuracy and straight cuts, improving overall efficiency and reducing errors during work. The track system allows for smooth and controlled cutting, perfect for panel cutting, framing, and other precise woodworking or construction tasks. This track saw kit combines power, versatility, and convenience, allowing users to tackle a wide range of cutting projects with one tool. Its ability to handle different materials such as wood, metal, and plastic makes it a cost-effective option, eliminating the need for multiple saws. The Evolution or 185 CCSX is well-suited for both professional contractors and home workshop users who demand reliability and precision. Overall, the Evolution Power Tools or 185 CCSX Multi-Material Circular Track Saw Kit is an all-in-one cutting tool that delivers clean, accurate cuts on various materials, backed by the included track for guidance and a durable TCT blade for long-lasting performance. Number 3. Makita SP6000J1 Plunge Circular Saw Kit. The Makita SP6000J1 is a professional-grade 6.5-inch plunge circular saw kit designed to deliver precise, clean cuts for woodworking and construction projects. This versatile saw combines power, accuracy, and user-friendly features, making it ideal for both contractors and serious DIY enthusiasts. The plunge mechanism allows the blade to start cutting in the middle of the workpiece, perfect for making precise cutouts and intricate shapes without damaging surrounding materials. This kit includes a robust 55-inch guide rail, which ensures straight, smooth, and accurate cuts over long distances. The guide rail is easy to set up and provides excellent stability, making it perfect for cutting sheet goods such as plywood, MDF, and laminate with professional results. The saw's powerful motor delivers smooth and consistent cutting performance, handling dense materials with ease. Ergonomically designed, the SP6000J1 features a comfortable grip and lightweight construction to reduce fatigue during extended use. The kit also comes with a stackable tool case, enabling convenient storage and transport while keeping the saw and accessories well protected and organized on the job site. Finished in Makita's signature blue color, this plunge saw kit blends functionality with sleek design. Whether you're tackling cabinetry, flooring, or framing, the Makita SP6000J1 Plunge Circular Saw Kit provides precision, durability, and convenience to help you achieve professional-grade results every time. Number 4. Makita XPS01 PTJ 18V Cordless Plunge Circular Saw Kit. The Makita XPS01 PTJ is a powerful and versatile 18V X2 LXT lithium-ion 36V brushless cordless plunge circular saw kit designed for precision and durability in demanding woodworking tasks. This advanced saw features a 6.5-inch blade that offers clean and accurate cuts, ideal for plunge cuts, bevel cuts, and intricate woodwork projects. Powered by two 18V LXT batteries combined to deliver 36 volts of efficient cordless power, this tool ensures longer runtime and excellent cutting performance without the need for cords or outlets. Equipped with a brushless motor, the XPS01 PTJ maximizes power efficiency and reduces maintenance, delivering longer motor life and smoother operation. The 5.0 lithium-ion batteries included in this kit provide substantial energy capacity, allowing users to complete extensive cutting tasks without frequent recharging. This plunge saw is designed to be lightweight and ergonomically balanced, providing user comfort and control during prolonged use. For enhanced precision, the Makita XPS01 PTJ is compatible with the 199,140/039-inch guide rail, which is sold separately. When paired with this guide rail, users can achieve perfectly straight and accurate cuts with ease, making it an excellent choice for professional carpenters, contractors, and serious DIY enthusiasts. The plunge mechanism enables quick blade immersion, making it simple to start cuts in the middle of materials without the need for a pilot hole. Overall, the Makita XPS01 PTJ 18VX2 LXT brushless plunge circular saw kit offers a robust, cordless cutting solution with high performance, accuracy, and convenience for a wide range of woodworking applications. Number 5. Bosch 6.5-inch track saw with plunge action. The Bosch Tools track saw model GKT13-225L is a high-precision power tool designed for professional craftsmen and serious DIY enthusiasts who demand accuracy and efficiency in their woodworking projects. This track saw features a 6.1/2-inch blade, perfectly sized to deliver clean, precise cuts through a variety of materials including hardwood, plywood, and composite boards. One of the standout features of this saw is its plunge action mechanism, which allows users to start cuts at any point on the workpiece without the need to pre-drill starter holes. This plunge capability adds versatility and control, making it easier to create complex cuts and shapes with confidence. The GKT13-225L also comes equipped with an ergonomic design that enhances user comfort and reduces fatigue during prolonged use. The saw's powerful motor provides consistent performance, ensuring smooth and accurate cuts even in demanding applications. In addition, the saw is designed to be compatible with Bosch's guide rails, allowing for straight, repeatable cuts with minimal effort. This integration is ideal for tasks such as cabinetry, flooring, and furniture making where precision is critical. To protect the tool during transportation and storage, the Bosch track saw comes with a sturdy carrying case. This case not only helps keep the saw and its accessories organized but also adds convenience for users who need to move between job sites. Overall, the Bosch GKT13-225L track saw is a reliable, versatile, and essential addition to any workshop or professional toolkit, offering exceptional performance for a wide range of cutting tasks.